Hello guys and welcome to AppWhiz. In this video, I will show you how to set a passcode or face ID for the activity center on your TikTok account. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. In the search bar, type TikTok and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you have finished updating, simply open the app and go to your profile. Now tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Here you can see all of your account activity saved in one place. Now what you need to do is tap on the icon in the top right corner, similar to a settings icon. Here you will see the option Unlock with Face ID. Just tap on it. And if Face ID is not set up yet, first enable it from your phone settings. Once Face ID is set, you will be able to lock and unlock your activity center using it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and until next time, see you soon.